Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to get your money back even if say Google Play Store is saying that your refund is not eligible. Okay, so today this video is going to about vidIQ subscription. So I'll tell you how to refund your money back even if they are saying or say Google Play Store is saying that your refund is not eligible. Okay, so I have already opened most of the things that can take some time, so you can see it here. Firstly, just go to Play Store. I'll tell you a few steps, say 2 to 3 steps that you need to do it all. And also we will be seeing how to say send that send them a mail related to your concern. Okay, here I'll also tell you the mail ID, or I'll share a few 4 to 5 mail ID that you can try, as it's intercom, so I'm not sure that whether it is going to work for you or not, but still I had a chat with them, I think 35 or 36 weeks ago. So I'll just share my mail mail and everything, so you can just take some insight. So it was a technical glitch of vidIQ app, and I got around, I think, 1 month or 1.5 months extension of my vidIQ subscription. So right now also I'm using vidIQ subscription. So I'm just telling you what are the steps that you need to follow in order to refund your money. First is, we have already, suppose if I'm just thinking that you have cancelled the subscription, that is you are not at all going to pay for the next month, okay, or say next billing period, but your concern is to get your money back for this month itself, that is in running or active month. Okay, firstly go to your mail ID, make sure that it's right mail ID, and then on mail ID on Google Play Store. Okay, and then on search bar just write vidIQ. You can see it right here. Just open it this way, go downside, here you can see Google Play refund policy, click there. Here you will be coming. Okay, so just read it. There would be one button option here, you can see request a refund on related, just wait, give me 1 minute. There would be one button, it's not accidentally, let's not get into this accidentally thing, we'll just explore some other option. Okay, here you can see learn how to request a refund. Just go there. From there you can see this button, confirm your mail ID. Then okay, you can see it here. Okay, just confirm your mail ID. I've already selected this boost 1 month. You can see it right here. You can just click on any option. My subscription won't be eligible because I have already crossed around 20-25 days. I'm just still just showing you. You can just click on don't want item anymore, or review the list of purchase, or you can say purchased by accident. Okay, just do it, and then here you can see yes, request refund. Okay, and then yeah, I'm done with refund request. Though mine won't be approved and say it's not eligible because I've already used it a lot, like it's been around 20-24 days and I'm not in mood to cancel it, so I will be using it further also. But it's still just let's get into it. So this is first way, and most probably you will be getting a mail say message like your request is not approved, or we won't be able to proceed with it because it's going against the policy or something. Okay, but let's get into some other ways also. This is one way you have done it. Okay, once you are done this with this, just make sure that you are also, see, go to vidIQ app, right hand side top corner you can see your DP there, just click there. Okay, from there you need to go to help, click on help. Okay, once you have clicked on help, okay, downside you can see is that what you are looking for. Here you can see this, click there. Okay, now you can just share your concern. Hey, I want to cancel my active subscription and refund my money back. Okay, just write something like, it won't work for me because I have already used too much. I'm just sharing what are the messages that you can type. You can see it here. We would love to keep you on as a customer, and so if you are okay, they have written like all these things. So here you can see, if you are sure you are ready to go, please choose the payment method you used to pay for vidIQ. So I use Google Play Store. Just click there, and obviously Google Play Store, you can see it here. You'll need to cancel your subscription directly from there. You can find how to do this. Then you can select talk to a person, okay, and from there this chatbot will stop working and they'll redirect our conversation to somebody from their team. Here you can see in top side, here you can see all active say customer executives, you can see it here. Okay, we typically reply in a few hours. Okay, so this is one way, and make sure that you have downloaded the app, so that if they are messaging you, you can get to know, and or also you can just get back to like this place maybe after 5 to 10 minutes or a half hour or 1 hour. But this is not everything that you need to do, so there are a few more steps. Just go to Google. I think I have already searched for it, vidIQ customer care. Let's get into it. So here you can see, where is that mail ID, man? Customer at the rate something it was. Okay, here you can see this support at the rate vidIQ.com. Okay, from there you need to click on, you can see this email. Firstly select this, go to email. This will firstly I need to switch my account. I need to use baby my personal account, it's right there. And here you can see refund for my active payment. Okay, so you can see message very nicely like hello team. So you can just get some insights from here, and maybe you can send them the same message. Okay, I'm just telling you again that this is not going to work for me, because it's been around 24 days since I'm using vidIQ subscription, and whatever I'm writing, I'm just telling or guiding you so that you can follow it and you can get your money back. Okay, so just let's start with this. So hello team, whatever your name is, just write there. Say I'm writing Shraddha here, or I'm considering that your amount has been deducted today, or even if it's been deducted yesterday also, so it will work. Okay, so today my amount got deducted for vidIQ subscription that is of no use for me, or to me. You can see this suggested. Okay, to me, I am looking forward to get my money, or say my money back, or get me refund, okay, as soon as possible. You can see it right here. And also you can see that I tried to, you can say this to get my money back from Google Play Store, but they said that my refund is not eligible, or it's going against their policy. Okay, I have not used it yet, please refund my money. Okay, please refund my money. Done. Then you can see that something like amount. This amount means a lot to me. I can use this money for some other work. vidIQ subscription is of no use to me. Please refund my money. I would be grateful to you. My money, or say as soon as possible. As soon as possible, I would be grateful to you. Okay, done. See, once you are done with this, what you can do is, you can see right, say top side, you can see 4 button. One is this, then this send button, then this document attach button, and then this magic pen. Okay, just click there, polish your message, click on first option, polish. Once you will be polishing it, they'll write your mail like this mail that we have written so nicely. Then click on downside, you can see this blue button, replace. Okay, here you can see this. Then just send it. Okay, send it, and from there your conversation with vidIQ team will get started, and within 1 to 2 days, this if this like once this conversation is done, you'll get your money back. Okay, and so this is one way. This is, I think, third thing that we have done. I don't want to send it to anyone. If you want, I can just copy this, and maybe I'll attach this in the video also that I'm going to post. So I'll attach this in description part, and will also write this mail ID. Okay, support@vidIQ.com. I'm discarding this right now because I don't want to send any mail. And again, what you need to do, just go to mail. Okay, and I am now telling you a few mail IDs that I got. So it was April 20th when there was a technical glitch in vidIQ, and I asked for, you can see it here. So it was not something that I maybe lied or something. So it was true. Like I had truly a bad experience with vidIQ. There was some technical glitch, so my keywords and nothing was working there. So I just told them, and I also share all sort of screenshot everything. So they like the team is, this team is truly too good, and they are something very understanding. So if you are sharing your concerns, they'll truly work on it. And you can see we'll add an extra week on boost at the end of your subscription. Okay, but trust me, they didn't just add this week, but they added around months. So you can see this here. Okay, so I was still facing the same issue. SEO score was not working at that time. So you can just see it right here. So my like, all I want to say is this team is truly good, and if you are sharing your concern, so they'll just listen to it and they'll refund your money for sure. Okay, please extend. You can see it almost 15 to 20 days because it's been too long. My money got wasted. You can see it here, and it was only, I think, 400 or 450 something on a monthly basis. So you can see it here. Now you can see it, they extended it to May 11th 2024, and that day was 25th April. Okay, and it was like my plan was about to expire, but they extended truly. Like, I had a huge conversation, you can see it right here. Okay, and this glitch continued, and then I talked to them again, and they again extended the date. So just get in touch with the team, go to support@vidIQ.com, and whatever mail I will be say using in description part, just take it, copy it, and customize it for your name. If it is hi Shraddha is here, so just write your name and just send it. Okay, so yeah, just do it all, and this team will help you for sure, and you'll get your money back maybe within once, like I think within 1 or 2 days they'll send it back to you. Just that say जितनी जल्दी आपका conversation होगा उनसे, so yeah, it will work that fast if you are able to get in touch with them within maybe 10 to 12 hours after I am sharing my video. So after that, if you are going to get in touch with them within 8 to 10 hours, so you will get your refund back within 24 hours or maybe 48 hours. Okay, so just don't worry, make sure to make everything clear to them, and also don't miss to ask for your refund through this Google Play Store thing also. Okay, so here you can see it here. Okay, so here is one way also. You can see it here. I have just received intercom mail. Okay, so just let me tell you one important thing also. I think did I so go, yeah, I think I have told you. Just go to your vidIQ app. Okay, right hand side, top side, you can see my photo here. Click on your photo, go to help. Okay, and then you can see downside there is this table kind of thing, chat table. Click on it and then just share your concern. You can see it. It looks like was set up through the Google Play Store because handles horrible. We are unable to access. Okay, and subscription help page. If you experience any further, you can. So Google help page, if they share anything like this, just click there, go to the Google page, and you can see it here that we have recently done. Okay, just do it all. We have received one notification. Let's see. Okay, let it be. Okay, so it's done from my end. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to follow all steps there. Okay, about your, obviously they won't approve it. For refund, we understand this. Okay, this purchase does not qualify for a refund under a refund policy because I have already like almost say used it completely. So yeah, just do it all and make sure to do that support@vidIQ.com mail work. So just get in touch with them and share your concern. Ask them to to say refund your money as soon as possible, and share your urgency of like wasting that money for vidIQ that you are not going to use. So yeah, just do it. If you face any problem, just let me know. I'll find some alternate and make sure to do it within today itself. And if you're doing it today, maybe by tomorrow your process will get started and you can get your refund as soon as possible. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.